I always get, my mouth always gets really dry when I make these videos, so this time I've got water with me. Also, aren't these cups really cool? I don't know what I'm saying right now. Why am I talking about this cup? But we got new studio cups like a month or two ago, and these are super sick, right? Focus, Gene. Oh my goodness, here we go. All right, great to see you guys again. This video, I want to talk about my Leica M6 everyday carry, or some of the accessories that I'm using right now with it, nearly on a daily basis. You know, like for me, this is a kit that I've been building out for the past year and a half. I've owned my M6 for a year and a half now. With every tool that I buy for it, it makes it more enjoyable to shoot with. And the camera itself is already a wonderful camera, but I wanted to just share some of the things, some of the tools that I have acquired over the course of that year and a half. Basically, this kit kind of stays together for the most part. So that's what I want to talk about. Let's talk about, obviously, the camera itself. I have the Leica M6 here, and it's not so much the camera I want to talk about, it's actually the lens. I now have a Leica 28mm Elmrit f2 spherical lens for it. It's really pretty, it's really tiny. Very excited about this lens because for a year and a half I have been shooting on the Voigtlander 28 f2 Ultron V1. Great lens. Actually, the entire body of my work that you've seen with the M6 was photographed with the Ultron lens, but I felt like it was time to upgrade the lens, get an actual Leica lens for the Leica camera, and so that's the lens that I am rocking for this year and moving forward. The next thing is actually this thing. Very excited about this. You may be wondering, Gene, what is this? Why do you have a little... What is this thing? This is actually a... Well, it says extension tube for air release. It's a long shutter release cable. And what's really fun about this is you just screw this into your film camera, or in my case, the M6, and you uncoil this cable. And I forget how long it extends, but it's pretty far. And then you're able to trigger the camera with this bulb simply by squeezing it. And this has been a lot of fun because I've been tinkering with it for the past month and a half with a lot of self-portrait work. That's the reason why I bought this lens, to be able to start taking more self-portraits and fun group photos. This has been a really fun, very inexpensive tool that I've added to this kit, and I'm really excited to use it to see where I can take my self-portrait work and just kind of the fun creative ideas that I can unlock with a very fun tool like this. So that's that. The next thing I want to talk about is this flash. So one of the recent questions that I've been receiving quite a bit is, can you make another video on using flash with film photography? How do I meter with flash? How do I use flash with my film cameras, and maybe specifically the M6? If you watched that previous video, I was using a small Canon Speedlight, and I still have that flash. It's a wonderful flash. But again, kind of like the idea behind getting the Elmrit lens, I also felt that it was time to get a Leica flash for the Leica camera. And I have no regrets because at least with this flash compared to my other one, I can manually control the output power in the settings. And that's been really fun to tinker with and kind of just explore different settings. But this flash is always with my M6. These two are always together. I never really leave anywhere without this flash now. And what's great is I can use this flash on other cameras, but I'm primarily using on the M6. This flash is definitely, maybe arguably, the most important tool that I have outside of the camera itself. It's allowed me to take a lot more photos in scenarios that I otherwise would not have been able to, especially with film being so limited by the amount of light that you need when using film. And this has really also unlocked a lot of fun, creative portraits and photos for me. The second to last thing I want to talk about is this very fun cable. So what is this cable, Gene? Why is it so long, and what does it do? So this cable is actually, it's a flash sync cord cable. But what's really cool about this is I actually attach my flash unit to this cord like that. I attach the actual cable then to my M6, lock it in. And so now what I can do is I can take off-camera flash photos. So a lot of times the way that I'm using this is I'll take flash photos like this, and it's fun because it allows you to take photos with the flash or the light coming from different angles and different areas, and it just creates a different dynamic photo or a different looking photo. And that's more of a recent purchase as well, something that pairs very well with the M6 because of its size, but also with the Leica flash, the SF20 that I own. This grouping right here, the flash, the sync cord, and then the camera itself, these are always together. The last thing I actually want to talk about, maybe the most important thing, is what am I using to hold all this gear in? What am I using to hold my Leica kit in? This bag is from Clever Supply Co. and it was actually sent to me by my friend Todd, who is the owner of Clever Supply. Very grateful that he sent this bag. What's really exciting is actually today, the Kickstarter campaign for this bag has launched, and Todd has not made a product like this yet. And so I think it's just not only exciting for him, but I think as photographers or filmmakers or artists, it's really cool to have a product like this on the market. I think that this bag meets a lot of the needs of people like myself who want to carry their gear in a very safe manner, but also carry it in something that's very pleasing to the eye, very pretty, very aesthetic, very visually just engaging, as opposed to some of the other bags that I've owned in the past that are very functional, but are kind of not fun to look at, or just not that pretty. What's really great about this bag, maybe the thing that I've enjoyed the most, is that it houses a ton of things. It has a ton of space while still maintaining a very slim profile. And actually, this bag has 2 dividers, which then creates 3 compartments. I actually put my M6 in the middle compartment, my flash and the sync cord in one side, and then this shutter cable in the other. And then there's still plenty of space to house extra batteries, more film rolls, whatever you need, lens wipes. But what I've really enjoyed is that this bag has a lot of space, but still very pretty. And it's very obvious that Todd put a lot of time into the design of this bag. There are other slings, other over-the-shoulder bags that have existed for years and years, but I firmly believe that with the material that he chose as well, it's a really exciting product. And there's actually 2 colors. I have the brown one. There's also a black one available. And it's just great because you know that's gonna protect your gear. The zipper portion is weather sealed, which is really great if you are gonna shoot in the rain or even the snow, like right now here in Chicago. And it's got so many different sides where you can hold and grab the bag, so you're not just reliant on the actual over-the-shoulder strap solely. But wonderful product. I actually can even house my iPad 11-inch in here, which is great because then I can work at a coffee shop and still snap some fun photos on my M6. And so this is the bag that I've been using now for a while to house my M6 kit. And it's gonna be the bag that I'm gonna use moving forward for either this kit or even on wedding days or commercial jobs that I'm on. I'm probably gonna carry my gear in this bag now. So if you wanna check it out, support Todd, support Clever Supply, head on over to the Kickstarter link. I'm gonna link below. Actually, Steven just posted a video on an in-depth review of this bag. So if you want more details about the specifics or the technical aspects of this bag, actually go watch Steven's video. It's gonna be a lot more in-depth than mine. Wonderful product, very excited for Todd and his team. But yeah, this is the bag that I have chosen to house all of my gear for my M6 kit. That's it. I just wanted to talk about what my M6 kit has evolved into over the course of the 1.5 years. It's gonna likely change and evolve over the course of this year. And I have no idea what other things will be added or subtracted from it, but as it stands, this kit has been perfect for me to capture a lot of different types of work, and I'm very excited to use it. So I just wanted to share, because I get asked often, what's that lens, or what's that cable, what flash are you using? I just wanted to house it all in one video for you guys. So hopefully that was helpful and enjoyable. See you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe, and thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.